Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I'm going to do some videos today for you guys on our 1966 Porsche 912. This is a coupe. This is slate gray with black leatherette interior. We just did the Cardex on this car and posted it to the sale. This is a numbers matching car. It is a repainted car. I can't call it restored. I don't think it has been restored. It is very original, other than paint. Very nice. I know that the write-up says that we noted some blemishes in the car. Detail cured them. I find no faults with the finish. It is what I would consider to be an excellent car all around. Please note all of the services we completed to this car, including suspension. We went all the way. We did everything we could possibly think to do to make it a fantastic car for driving, showing, whatever you'd like. Beautiful inside and out. I sourced the shift knob. The seats are in excellent shape. I'm gonna take off the wheel wrap today and show you guys what's underneath that. All the gauges are working properly. There is no power to the stereo, so I'll check and see if there's a fuse or something that can be fixed on that. It's also very interesting on the Cardex that it has the original radio serial number. So while we're messing with that, I will also see if that is indeed the correct radio for the car. If so, it would be best to have it fixed if it's broken rather than replace it. Let me pop the hood. Trunk. Just beautiful in here too, guys. Runs as good as it looks, drives just fantastically. During the other walk-around video, I thought that the smuggler's box was locked. I'm used to that other kind of latch, but this has like a window latch, but it doesn't stick, and it's nice. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's dry in there, and there's no rust. Just a real honest car. I don't know if you guys could see down here too. It's all original. So yeah, guys, quite a car. I'll continue to do more videos. I'm gonna get this on a lift. We'll do underside videos for you too. That's where this car really shines. It's just such an original car. So look forward to those. And if you have more questions, if you want to see more stuff, please ask in the comments and I'll get right to it. Thanks again.